Yeah, my next question is like, what's the difference from hiring an accountant, CPA, and bookkeeping, or do they do the same thing?
No, they don't. They don't.
Oh,
So, all right. So the question is accounting and also bookkeeping. You have a lot of business questions. That's awesome. All right.
that's it though.
It's okay. You can ask as many as you like. If I can help, I'll help. As far as a
Thank
CPA, right, what they're gonna do for you is basically your taxes. You can do your personal taxes and also, for example, your business like taxes also, right? That's what they do. That's like what they're in charge of. However, bookkeeping is a separate service that usually they offer, but they do cost a lot of money. And bookkeeping is basically just keeping track of your transactions, saying, hey, this expense goes into this account or this amount goes into this account, whatever. It's just making sure that everything is accounted for the way it's supposed to be accounted for. And for that, they can charge you anywhere from like $100 to $300 to $500. It's very expensive.
you. Okay. And I think one of your videos you mentioned like just use the software.
Yeah, yeah. So if you wanna do it yourself, which is okay, just like do some YouTube googling and stuff like that. You can
Yeah.
use QuickBooks Bookkeeping. It's like $50 to $60 per month, and that way you can basically avoid all the fees with the accountant. Now, something you can actually do is that once you have enough transactions, you can actually hire an accountant, right, or a bookkeeper to do, for example, a one-time bookkeeping and to
Oh,
also automatically set the QuickBooks to do everything for you. So if you have certain bills that go through every single month or whatever, that can be automated through the software. So if you want, they can do everything for you. And even better, you can ask them, hey, can you teach me how to do this? Or can I watch you do it or whatever? My accountant actually did that for me. And that way I don't have to pay her a bunch of money.
do you do bookkeeping?
No, I do not do bookkeeping, so
Oh,
you cannot hire me. But if
oh,
you do,
okay.
I just do
I
it for
feel
my
like
own
you have all the
business.
knowledge. I'm like, this is too.
One thing is knowledge, and one thing is spending all that time doing all that bookkeeping. However,
Okay.
if you do wanna like use my accountant, her name is Sasha. She has like she does like Wise Accountant or Sasha Wise Accountant, and she's down in Florida. She has like the whole company. She's like a CPA, 15 years of experience, and also does, for example, all the bookkeeping. But again, it's expensive. Okay, so keep that
Oh,
in
okay.
mind. It's not
I
cheap.
know someone, and one of my dad's friends, but I'll reach out to him and see. He has his whole company that does everything,
Mm-hmm.
but I was wondering what the difference was.
Yeah,
So.
shop around. It's different services for everything.